In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you how to see who views your TikTok profile. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Now how we can see that who viewed our profile? Click on the TikTok. This type of screen appear. Now you can click on the inbox. If somebody is viewing your profile, then you will get notification here that he or she person viewed your profile. If you are not getting notification, then you have to click on the profile. Click on three lines which appear at the right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Now click on privacy and profile views. If they are turned on, then you will definitely get notification if someone is looking to your profile. Thank you so much. You will receive your notification in inbox. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.